y'all. So today, me and my mom are supposed to be going to one of them washing things and washing the car, where you like pay, put the coins in, and you use the soap brush and stuff to clean your car, and the car really needs to be clean, so we finna go do that. So right now I'm playing Watch Dogs, and I'm waiting for my mom to tell me let's go, because I've been sitting here ready for a minute now. So yeah, then we gotta go to the store, get a few meals for the week. I don't feel like doing that, but we gotta eat, so we gotta go get the food.
That go with the cleaning stuff.
And the empty, put it right there. The empty bag, what is it doing?
I think it's in the back seat. Oh, I mean the white one. Mine's, but I don't know if I need that. Is it in the way?
I did. No.
I'm so dead. Me and my mom is standing in the wash house waiting for our stuff to get washed. And it's literally this lady sitting on a bench inside, rolling a whole blunt, licking it and everything. I'm like, don't do that inside the wash house. You could at least go outside. My mom was like trifling. Like she for real rolling a whole blunt inside, licking it and everything, y'all. Well, we in the hood in the ghetto, so I mean, what do you expect?